Hello everyone. The purpose of this video is to show you how to assign assignments in Savvas Learning. The first thing that you want to do is to go to your class link page and sign in. Once you are signed into ClassLink, scroll down to Savvas Easy Bridge. Just a quick note, all of the icons in ClassLink are in alphabetical order. Once you click on Savvas Easy Bridge, you will need to click on Savvas Realize, which is the last button on the right-hand side. Once you're into Savvas Realize, click Browse so that you can find the appropriate book. For this video, I will be assigning things for third grade math. Once you select your book, find the topic that you are currently in. We are currently in topic 1, and the lesson, currently lesson 1. Go down to whichever assignment you want to assign. You want to select this one. Scroll back to the top of your screen. On the right-hand side in the black box, you should see Assign Selected. You need to choose a start date and a due date. You may type instructions here if you would like, but that is completely optional. Then you need to find the class, group, or student that you would like to assign this to. For me, I would assign this to my entire class. So the easiest way is for me to type in my last name, Moore, go to Mathematics. Once it is selected, you would select Assign. And that is all. I hope you found this video to be helpful.